Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Legit Fidget. The very first thing that I want to say that is, if you are a new viewer to my channel and have not subscribed, so do hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for the notification of my new videos. And for the updates of my channel and my videos, I have given the link of my social media account, my Instagram account, my Twitter and my Facebook, The Legit Fidgeters. The link I have given in the description so you guys can check out. Thank you. So today in this video I am going to give a review on Copper Fidget Spinner. Yes, so over here is the Copper Fidget Spinner inside the packet, and I have ordered this from gifty.pk and they did not sponsor me. I have bought this by my own. So over here is the parcel and information written regarding to shipping over here. So, and it is 100% pure copper fidget spinner. So let's unbox it. Yeah. So over here is my unboxing knife. Yeah. Now I'm going to cut it. Yeah. Yeah. Well. Let's check out. So over here is our copper fidget spinner. Empty. No need of it. So I'm going to open this packing. So wow, check out. And this is also in the packing, in the packet. So now how it's gonna open. And here is calm. Yeah. Wow, check out. As you can see, over here is the tiger sign. Over here it is the tiger sign, and it is 100% pure copper. Wow, check out the spinning. Oops, I'm going to flip it on my other end. Yes. Now I'm going to show you guys the bearing. I'm going to open it. Oh, so look, over here is the bearing. The bearing is seen to be clean. And this fidget spinner is also a smooth one. I'm going to put this buckle back. Let me open this. Now it can come. Over here, the copper fidget spinner. Wow. I'm going to spin off a table. Wow. Yeah. So here I come. Spinner boy. Yeah. If you like this spinner, so do comment below in the comment section. Wow, it's spinning so cool. So guys, I'm giving this video the target of 50 likes. So I'm sure that you guys gonna will thumbs up. So I will gonna achieve my target of 50 likes. So if you enjoyed the video, thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. So see you guys in the next one. Till then,